Today I'm going to show you how to use the Revolved Boss Base feature in SolidWorks. This is a great tool for profiles which are fairly complicated on the side view and might be easier to sketch rather than to make dozens of lofts. Another reason you might want to make your sketch in a revolved boss base rather than an extruded boss base is if you're planning to machine the work on a lathe later. It's easier to create tool paths for a revolved boss base using some of the CAM software. As always with SolidWorks, everything begins with a sketch. So right now we've got an empty drawing. I'm going to go to the Revolved Boss Base feature and select that. I'm going to do this on the right plane this time. Now what you want to do is you want to sketch the side profile of what you want to revolve using the normal sketch tools, and what I'm going to do is just create a couple of different circular shapes and maybe join them with a spline. So one of the key things for using the Revolved Boss Base feature is that you'll need to make sure you draw the profile as a half. So at the moment I've got the side profile roughly what I want. Just going to go and use the power trim tool to remove some of the additional lines that I don't want. And you'll need to remove those lines there so that you've got just a half profile of the sketch you want to revolve. And once again, click the tick to complete, exit sketch. When you into the revolve feature properties, there are a couple of things you're going to need to specify. The first is the axis of revolution, which is that straight line straight up the middle, and the second is your selected contours. Click the tick to complete, and there you have it, your revolved boss base. As you can imagine, sketching that as an extrude would have been very complex, but using the revolved boss base, this is a piece of cake. So that's enough for this session. Thanks for watching, and I'll look forward to talking with you next time.